friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, check out my playlist. I have hundreds and hundreds of craft projects, fashion, decor, all kinds of fun stuff to watch. I've been suffering with terrible seasonal allergies, is why I haven't posted in a few weeks, but I felt well enough today that I wanted to bring you this cute little spring project that you could just make in a matter of a couple hours. 3 items from the Dollar Tree plus a can of black spray paint. And I want to make one of these rabbit ear little candy bowls. I've seen them several different places. I saw them last year. I'm seeing them again this year, and just wanted to show you how to make your own, get the same look for less than $5. So I'm going to show you some of my inspiration pictures of what these bowls look like and how much they cost, and then I'll show you all the supplies you'll need. All right, the first one I found was from Macari. It was $49. You could easily recreate this with the supplies I'm using today with 2 different size bowls. These from Bed Bath & Beyond, I really thought it was a misprint for $82. They must be bigger than what it appears, but those are really cute too and can be easily recreated. These are what I'm making today, these black iron looking ones from Decor Steels. And these last 2 pictures are from Target and Walmart. These are like $5 each from their dollar spot areas that could be easily recreated. All right, I came out here to my back porch just because the lighting is so much better. I think one of my neighbors is getting some tree work done, so you may hear that in the background, but it's okay. All right, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some kind of wire nippers. You're going to need some hot glue and a can of spray paint. They come in all different colors, but the one I want to make is black. So these Dollar Tree bowls, I'm just going to use one of them, and then the one that I want to copy, it does have some little ball feet. Now I've seen them just on like a little round plaque, and Dollar Tree does sell those little routed little plaques that would look really cute on that, but I like the look of the little ball feet elevated. Now as far as the little wreath form, I'm going to take the wire nippers and I'm going to cut the whole inside of the wreath off, and so the only thing I'm going to have is just the ears and then the outside edge like that, and I'm just going to cut it to like a horseshoe, take some of this section out right here, but it just really depends on the quality of your nippers. If you use good quality nippers, it'll just cut through this wire like butter. All right, I've got my wreath cut now, and honestly I really wanted the sides to be a little longer. The wreath form actually broke in the wrong place just because it's such thin wire, and so this project is simple enough. I'm going to hot glue everything together with the little ball feet and then just show you what it looks like before I spray paint it. I went ahead and just put a little square of electrical tape there because it's black, and then it'll just help secure it, but it's very sturdy. I mean, just with hot glue, because the bowl is light and it's just wire. I'll get it spray painted tomorrow and styled for you and show you what it looks like. All right, I've got my little bowl painted now, and it's all nice and black. I really think you should set it in front of a wall that is lighter color, especially if you paint it black, because it just really blends in if your wall is darker. There's so many things you could do with this little bowl. You could drill some holes in it, put some soil, and plant a few little bedding plants in there and give it as a gift. I'm going to show you a couple little styling ideas of what I would do with it. Here I've got a little vintage print cloth napkin or handkerchief, not sure what it is, but I'd got it in the bins a long time ago, just thought it was really cute. I put some grass in the bottom and just filled it with just some little faux eggs. You could use candy or make it into any type of gift basket. Let me show you one more look. I really like this idea. Just fill it full of greenery. I think those little stuffed carrots came from the Dollar Tree, if I'm not mistaken, but this is probably my favorite way to display it, and you could stick this anywhere in the house. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick and easy little rabbit ear bowl idea that I made for $2.50 plus spray paint, and the longest part of the project is waiting for the paint to dry. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back in a few days with something else fun to share. Bye-bye.